Welcome to New Brand Car, your trusted channel for exploring the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Dacia Camper van, a vehicle that's set to revolutionize how we think about affordable adventure. Dacia has brought a fresh perspective to the camper van segment, offering a well-equipped and functional home on wheels at a price point that's sure to impress. Let's dive into the details and see why this camper van is perfect for travelers, adventurers, and families alike. From the outside, the 2025 Dacia Camper van is modern, robust, and built to handle a variety of terrains. Its aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency while giving it a sleek, contemporary appearance. The compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver in urban areas, while the elevated ground clearance and durable construction make it ready for off-road adventures. Stepping inside, you'll find a thoughtfully designed interior that feels more like a compact home than a vehicle. The layout has been meticulously planned to maximize every inch of space. One of the standout features is the fully functional kitchen, designed to make meal preparation easy and enjoyable. It includes a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink with a built-in water filtration system, and a 40-liter refrigerator capable of keeping your ingredients fresh, even on extended trips. Above the kitchen counter, there are smartly designed overhead cabinets for storing utensils, pots, and dry goods, ensuring everything stays organized while on the move. The dining area is just as impressive. During the day, it functions as a cozy space with a collapsible table and comfortable bench seating that can accommodate up to 4 people. Come nighttime, this area transforms seamlessly into a spacious double bed. The seating cushions are crafted from durable, easy-to-clean fabric, while the bed provides ample room for a restful sleep. In the rear, there's an additional fold-down bunk bed, making this camper van perfect for families or groups of friends. Now, let's talk about the bathroom, a feature not often seen in vehicles at this price point. The 2025 Dacia Camper van comes with a compact yet fully equipped wet room. Inside, you'll find a modern cassette toilet, a space-saving foldable sink, and a shower with a water heater, providing hot water on demand. The entire bathroom is designed with waterproof materials, ensuring durability and ease of cleaning. There's also a small skylight and a vent, ensuring proper ventilation and natural light. Storage is another strong point of this camper van. Beneath the seating area and bed, you'll find hidden compartments for larger items like luggage, camping gear, or extra supplies. Overhead cabinets run along the interior, offering additional storage space for smaller essentials. Dacia has also included an exterior storage compartment, perfect for stowing outdoor equipment or dirty items like hiking boots or fishing gear. On the tech side, the 2025 Dacia Camper van is equipped with everything you need for a comfortable and connected journey. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with GPS navigation, smartphone integration, and even camping-specific apps to help you locate the best sites and plan your route. USB charging ports and power outlets are located throughout the cabin to keep all your devices powered up. Additionally, the camper van is equipped with a dual battery system and roof-mount solar panels, ensuring a steady supply of energy even when you're off-grid. The driving experience is smooth and reliable thanks to Dacia's range of powertrain options. You can choose from efficient petrol and diesel engines, as well as a hybrid model for those looking to minimize their environmental impact. The vehicle's suspension system is built to handle both highways and rugged trails, making it a versatile choice for all types of adventures. Safety is another area where the 2025 Dacia Camper van excels. Standard features include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and rear parking sensors, ensuring that you and your passengers stay safe on the road. The van's sturdy construction and advanced airbag system provide added peace of mind during long journeys. In terms of affordability, Dacia has managed to offer all these features without compromising on cost. This camper van is one of the most budget-friendly options in its class, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a family looking for new adventures, or someone planning a cross-country road trip, the 2025 Dacia Camper van is designed to meet your needs without stretching your budget. In summary, the 2025 Dacia Camper van is a well-rounded, feature-packed vehicle that offers the perfect balance of comfort, functionality, and affordability. With its fully equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping areas, and even a compact bathroom, it's truly a home on wheels. Stay tuned to New Brand Car for more reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments where you'd take the Dacia Camper van on your first adventure.